Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a banana cream pie milkshake. Really good. Let's get started. Alright, get your blender. I've got an intro which is awesome. So the first ingredient is about 3/4 of a cup of milk. 1 banana. Now this is the best one to use because it has a whole lot more flavor. So add the milk. About 1/4 of a cup of whipping cream. And the final ingredient was 2 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream. And about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And the final ingredient is about 6 drops of yellow food coloring. Now pop the water and then just blend it until it's nice and creamy and quite consistent. Yum. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for banana cream pie milkshake. Let's give it a try. Oh, yum. This is delicious. So, thank you guys so much for watching a new recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.